Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to another video. And this morning is Wednesday. I am out on my road on my morning walk. It's like 7 o'clock in the morning. And guess what happened? Something happened. Yup. It is snowing out this morning. It's about 7-ish. It's warmer than it has been. It's like, was it 70? No, I wish it was 70. Yikes. Focus. Anyway, it's 24 degrees out, I believe, this morning. I'm out on my morning walk. Yo, I shoveled a little bit this morning. I thought there was going to be more snow, but it was like barely anything. Of course, it's supposed to be snowing all day long, so it'll probably accumulate. And this morning's walk, I might walk down to Penobscot Avenue and go check it out down there. If you don't know who I am, hey, my name is Cindy, and I do a lot of walk vlogs. I walk mainly in the morning, and for my wellness and my health. And when I first started doing this, it was like for sunrises. Oh, in the spring and summer, man, 5 o'clock in the morning, I used to get some beautiful morning sunrises. But now it's mainly in the wintertime now. As you can see by the way everything looks, it's wintertime. So the sunrises are hard to come by now. They're like 8 o'clock in the morning. The sun comes out. But I do a lot of walking vlogs. If you want to see more of my vlogs, go check my past vlogs out. What I see a lot of animals and stuff. And so I'm at the square, or the circle, and this is what it looks like. I gotta go. I gotta go over here. I don't have my tripod on, so it's a little awkward, but oh, here's a whole bunch of people. Check this out. Ready? 18-wheelers. Is he gonna spin out for me? What's going on over there? We got a trash. Oh, this is going to be interesting. We got somebody plowing, and we've got this 18-wheeler coming strong. Oh boy. This is when it's kind of scary, when it's right here. Look at this guy. Line them up. Everyone's going super slow because the roads are not pretty this morning. What is going on way down there? It's what I want to know. Oh, there's like an intersection right there. I think he's cleaning it out. And then we got this guy doing a little plowing for the bank. He must make some pretty good money there. Yep, so dang, it's snowing pretty good out too. That's that same guy that was plowing the bank. All right, I gotta be careful because people can't stop at a dime. Ugh. Okay, I made it. So I'm going on Penobscot Avenue. So I'm on Penobscot Avenue. I'm on somebody's tire track. Dang, it's snowing like crazy out. It is snowing pretty good out. It's when I first came out here at like, geez, it was like 6:30 a.m. Eastern time, and I had everything on. I had my hood on, I had my scarf on, my snow pants, everything on, and I'm shoveling. My word, I started sweating like you would not believe. And I was like, screw this. I took off my scarf. I unlatched this, took my hood down because it wasn't really snowing. And then I started cleaning off my car and kind of shoveling the driveway a little bit. And then I looked at the time, it was like, I don't know, 7:15 or something like that. And then I was like, well, it's daytime enough. Let me go out for my walk. I got to get on track and start eating healthy again because I've been slacking off big time. And it's easy to do over the holidays. So I got to get going on that. Yeah, like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I am pushing for 1,500 subscribers. After everyone went to school, over Christmas was over, New Year's was over, everyone went back to school, and bam, I'm back to like barely anybody watching. Such a drag, but I'll get there. I'll keep on keeping on with a smile. So if you haven't already, like and subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell for my future uploads. And I'll keep on walking. It's good for my health and wellness, even though I'm kind of taking a little shower. Snow is like having a shower, but with all your clothes on. I'm telling you what, sometimes I wonder about myself. But yeah, I'll see you in a bit. Yeah, so I'm down here behind the houses. The houses are all over here. Let's see if I can get any deer down here. This is some of it. So, I don't know if I should go around over here. Maybe I'll go right here. Because right here, there was all kinds of water down here. I gotta be careful because there might be some ice. Still looking for deer. Look how beautiful. So, I'm not gonna go too close, but this is where I was. And then over here is the Penobscot River. The dam's up there. Past the dam is where I go when I'm going to the boat landing. It's on the other side of this dam. But yeah, look how beautiful. I'm staying right here. I keep looking for a deer. Yeah, it is beautiful over here. Look at that. The only bummer thing is on the other side over there is people's property. Like, I know this is people's property too, but I would definitely not go on that side because, for one, they don't know who I am. So it's not like you can just show up on someone's property and start walking through their yard. Even though I kind of did over here, but this was a path. So this is a path someone made down here. It's not like it's just like someone's property that has no path. But yeah, this is so beautiful. Yesterday there was ice chunks coming down. I don't see a deer either, which is a total bummer. But yeah. Yeah, this is the area right here that I got permission. So man, they got it going on over here. This is probably not even their land. It probably stops like right over there. Anyway, it's all good. Look how beautiful. So, that is my walking vlog. I hope everyone has a wonderful day, and try, if you are in the spots where it is cold and snowy, try to stay warm and try to stay safe when you go out in the snow, driving and stuff like that, especially in the cities. So if you like my content and you want to see more, like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and hit the notification bell for my future uploads. In the description down below is a link to my Linktree. Like, share, comment, go check out my socials, and see what I've been up to. And I hope everyone has a wonderful day. And even though it's a new year and everyone sets goals and stuff, don't get so hard on yourself when you try to set the goals. Keep on the good work. Get inspired, no matter who it is. If it's music, some podcasts that you like to listen to, get inspired. Always smile and laugh. Yeah. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on my next adventure.